Hi, my name is Leyden Lewis and I am an interior designer. I was trained as an architect and I have a practice that has been alive and well for the last 20, 25 years. I think as a practicing interior architect and interior designer, I had been in this space before as a civilian, let's call it, and not as a designer. I'd never, we have these experiences where all of a sudden we're designing spaces that we've occupied and they were passive. And so now all of a sudden there was this opportunity to bring in some thought around the mission of the Guild, knowing that these two histories would be coming together, the present around Black culture, Black ideas, Black production, Black art, and then to be kind of stitching it together with this historical space was, we knew that it was a great and an incredible opportunity. The interesting things about putting together an installation and an exhibition or just a normal or conventional design project, we always want to leave our own signature. So we knew that we wanted to disrupt what was basically a very classically formed room that's full of architecture, Romanesque, just classical architecture, things on center axes, things that were very formal and of the Gilded Age vocabulary, architectural vocabulary. And so with Mulaney's rug and it showing and being the Trails of the Underground pathway for this community, we knew that it was going to shake the kind of conventions of the space and disrupt. I think that's what we wanted to do. As designers, we always want to disrupt. And so through that pattern, let's interpret it as a pattern, which also has this kind of big story behind it, it really helped us to do that. And also the additions of these pieces, one of which I'm sitting on, the middle pieces of the jab pieces, really were able to do that and kind of undermine the classical formalism of the room.